The pub salad board with creamy caper tarragon dressing. So, a pub salad is a salad served in pubs.
Oh.
You heard it here first. But the characteristics usually are pickled vegetables with lettuce and hard boiled eggs, some combination thereof. So, I'm gonna make a creamy tarragon dressing to go with the salad. So, I started with mayonnaise and sour cream, and I'll add some lemon juice and 2 herbs, fresh dill, and fresh tarragon. And then gotta have a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna slice the eggs with this knife, so we're gonna have garlic eggs later. And then some chopped capers, which capers are one of those things, they're kind of like olives for me. I didn't like them when I was young, but the more old and decrepit I get, the more I totally love them.
Is this like a ranch dressing?
This is like a creamy tarragon dressing, which is exactly what I said I was gonna make.
I don't know what tarragon is.
It's an herb. It's an herb. But yeah, I mean, it's ranchy. Garlic, herbs with a creamy base. Okay, and then the dressing needs a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna put the dressing into a separate bowl, and then this will go onto the board with all the other good stuff. So that was a pretty easy dressing to whip up. So I'm gonna kind of get the board going. So I just kind of picked whatever board was clean. That's like when I pick out the shirt I'm gonna wear. I basically wear whatever's clean. Okay, so I've got some butter lettuce, and I'm just gonna kind of spread it out. And then I have a whole bunch of stuff to add. So pickled green beans. Who knew? Good, right?
They're really good.
I love pickled veggies. So you can leave things in bowls and let everybody kind of grab it that way. But I like to make a board and just lay things out on top of everything else. So we'll do kind of duo piles as we go. And then some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. And sliced cucumbers, delicious. Now, this is one thing I know is gonna go over really big, pickled beets.
I love them.
You like pickled beets?
Oh, yeah.
That is a shock. What about you, Mitchell?
Never had pickled
Oh
beets.
my gosh. Well, I love roasted beets. So did your mom used to serve these?
Yeah. Well, and roasted too.
Yeah, they're so good, and they're just earthy. They taste like the earth in a good way. Okay, and then I have some prosciutto. I knew Stu was gonna ask me where the protein was. I laid out 4 pieces of prosciutto and just kind of crisped them in the oven, so they're kind of like bacon at this point. So I'm just gonna kind of, you can do piles of it, but I kind of like to sprinkle. Sprinkle prosciutto everywhere is what I say. That's my motto in life.
It looks so much like bacon.
It does, doesn't it? How's it looking so far?
It looks so
I
good.
mean, I love a salad board too, because it's kind of like all about artistic expression. White cheddar, and this is like real Irish white cheddar. It's just super, it's kind of hard and
Yeah, it looks like Parmesan.
yeah, but it's cheddar and it's so good. The flavor is amazing. I have it sliced really thin, so I'll just kind of do little fans of it. And then I'm gonna end with probably the messiest thing, but also the most luscious thing. So I've got some soft boiled eggs, and I had a little bit of a hard time peeling them, so don't laugh. But it doesn't matter because we're gonna slice them, and then check this out.
Wow.
There is nothing better in life than a soft boiled egg. Nothing. I'm gonna put that on a t-shirt. They're gonna sell like wildfire, I predict. There's nothing better than a soft boiled egg. Okay, and then just kind of put them all around. The only problem is if you serve this at a pub and you have men who are drinking, they will fight over these eggs. So you wanna be sure to have enough for all those rowdy men in the pub.
You're really taking this pub theme.
Well, it's a pub salad after all. Oh,
This one.
Oh my.
Nice.
wow. It's kind of just sinful.
So beautiful.
Isn't that gorge? And then,
There's more.
last thing, a little bit of pepper. And the creamy tarragon dressing, also known as creamy tarragon ranch,
Tarragon, don't get it twisted.
Which
What we've been
I-
waiting for.
I don't think they serve ranch in pubs, but who knows, maybe they do. Is this a beautiful salad or what?